What it do? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be learning how to mount a DVD bracket. And here it is. It's a two-tier bracket, and in the box it comes with the back end. That's the one, and then the brackets, and then it also comes with the two-tier level of glasses. And then on the side it also comes with a washers, wall plug, and all the screws that you'll be able to need. And for this job we'll need a few tools: the drill, hammer, spirit level, spanner, screwdriver, a pencil to make your markings, and a pliers. Yeah. So first of all, we start by making the markings on which upon we will drill, and to ensure that everything is straight, we'll have to use a spirit level. After you've made your markings, you're free to drill. We are using our size 8 bit, and I'm using the box just to pick the dust so that I don't have to clean later on. Yeah. After you're done, unplug your drill to avoid any accidents. At this point, we'll plug in the wall plugs, the plastic wall plugs, which will be used to hold on the screws. You can hammer them to ensure that they are properly flat onto the wall.
Fantastic. 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 Fantastic.
So that's out the way. Now it's to do the cable management. So to manage the cables, we'll be using a plastic trunking, white in color as mostly is used. And to hold on the trunking, we'll be using those cable clips. You can use glue if you want to, but I prefer to use the cable clips. We're also using a spirit level to ensure the trunking is straight on. Yeah. a whole eternity later, and we are done. All the cables are well tucked into the trunking, so no loose cables, and everything's connected properly. And yeah, the shelf is done. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, and if you're back, leave it a thumbs up, comment, share, and see you next time.
Fantastic.